Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 56 on hashtag ASR99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today in this video we are going to look at how to use the format string argument in our plot function. On day 54 we created this plot with the help of our plot function, and today we are going to use the format string arguments in this plot function. So let's do this. So as the name suggests, it is a string, so in which we will pass in some letters or the symbols. So first let me pass in red, and now here we got our plot, which is now our plot is red in color. So there are three values that you can pass in this format string. That is, the first one is obviously our color of our plot, and the second one is the marker what we want to use, and the third one is the format, that how you want our line to look like. So now let's pass in the marker. Now let's say I want the marker to be star, and now when we run it, here we got our plot, but here you can notice that we are not being able to see our lines. This is because when we use our marker parameter alone and not using the styling of our lines parameter, we will not be able to see the line, and rather we will just only see our markers. And now let's use the line styling of our line. That is, now let's say I want a solid line, and here we got it. There are a lot of markers and colors and also the way of styling our lines to be used, so we will look at them now. And finally, now let's create a new plot with by changing our format string. So now let's say I need a black colored arrow marked and dash dotted plot, and here it is. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at how to create a plot or how to modify our plot with the help of our format string arguments. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.